got off the flight, had a layover in Atlanta, and now I'm in Mississippi. So this vlog is going to be about us just driving to FL2K and FL2K itself. I've never been. This is my first time. This is also my first time in Mississippi. So got one night here, not even a day. So let's see how that things go. Stay tuned for what's picking me up. So today's Wednesday, our first day of going to FL2K with the guys Philip down in Mississippi, as you saw last night. We're taking 2 cars. No, we're actually taking a couple cars. I'm not sure which ones, but I know for our squad, like here right now, we're taking the white Viper and Phil's white V3 as well, the one that picked me up last night. So it's an 8-9 hour drive to Tampa from Mississippi. So it's a road trip. See how it is. I've never been to any of these states down here in Southern Florida, so we'll see how it is. Stay tuned. All right, so we just met up with Phil's other car. This is the one that picked me up last night. It's a 2650 CTS V3. This is pretty much like just fun car. Like obviously the Viper is the king, but this one is just like a fun car for him. CTS V3. I like the wheels on it. It's badass. All right, so we just meeting up with them and then pretty much gonna hit the road. Where we at?
Bucky's.
You gotta introduce yourself. This is the first time on the camera.
Alright, so name's Philip. I own the Anthromoto mud truck Viper. Had Rome fly down so we go to FL2K.
Yes, sir.
So already been a mess. Buddy's done left their wallet back home, had to go get it. I done broke the freaking trailer tire cover, so see what happens.
We're just meeting up with everybody. That's your boy right there.
That's Chris.
Turbo that's 550.
His nickname's
Lower light skin. Bucky's, what's going on? What up, bro? They say nickname lower light skin.
Yeah.
Why that? Why is that?
We just something that stuck around for a while.
True. This is Chris's Mustang. Turbo. On 3. Move before, right? Then we got the V3 over here. Again. Angles. You gotta get the angles. Alright, linked out with the last piece of the puzzle. 126. All the nitrous. Yeah, I missed it before we pulled out, but he had 2 tires in the back. He had the bungee cord because it wasn't closed, and he had the front seat filled out. He made very use of super impacted like it was goddamn one of these trucks. So we can't even relieve him of some of his no homo, some of his load. Oh, that don't even sound right. So loading up and get back to the road. Alright, so that's pretty much gonna be it for today's video. Really nothing happened, but stay tuned for tomorrow. We go live with racing at Bradenton Motorsports Park or some shit like that. I don't know. So stay tuned. We got a couple cars we listening. So Viper in the back. So peace.